Every journey in the world of heavy equipment transport is a battle against the odds. These aren't just trucks and machines. They're lifelines of industry, roaring through danger, hauling giants across impossible roads. But when disaster strikes, every second counts. Tires slip, brakes scream, and what was once control turns into chaos. If this intense ride moved you, subscribe now and stand with us as we uncover more real, raw, and riveting heavy equipment missions. You won't believe what happened on this deadly mountain road. The truck fought its way up the steep slope, engine screaming under the load until it lost traction. In an instant, it tipped backward, flipped violently, and slammed into the ground. One uphill climb turned into a nightmare you'll never forget. The truck slammed the brakes, tires screeching as it skidded dangerously close to disaster. Moments later, rescue crews arrived, swift and precise, turning chaos into control. The oil tanker truck plunged into the raging flood, its cabin nearly submerged. The driver fought back against the deadly current. Every second a fight for survival. The road gave way without warning, and the truck dropped straight into the sinkhole as bystanders watched in shock. It all happened in less than a second. The lifting cables snapped without warning, sending the massive load crashing down from above. Workers ran for their lives, just seconds from disaster. Next up, a forklift pushed past its limit, and the result is a painful nosedive you have to see to believe. A massive log-loaded container navigates a narrow bridge with stunning precision. Tight turns, inches to spare, yet the driver makes it look effortless. A terrifying crash in Texas as a train plows straight through a semi-truck, hauling a massive turbine blade, shredding everything in seconds. One misjudgment cost millions, caught on camera. The massive Cat 385C excavator climbs onto the heavy-duty trailer with razor-sharp precision. Moments later, the TGX 680 hauler roars to life, pulling the enormous load across a dusty road. A flawless display of brute power and expert teamwork. The Volvo EC650 climbs onto the trailer with slow, crushing force. Once loaded, the hauler powers forward, towing the giant through tight mountain turns. From loading to cornering, or churning, this is heavy transport at its most intense. The logging truck roars up the steep dirt road, carrying tons of timber through razor-tight mountain curves. With sheer cliffs on one side and no margin for error, the driver holds steady. This is real skill in action. The overloaded truck claws its way up the rain-slick hill, belching thick black smoke as tires struggle for grip. No turning back, just raw determination against brutal incline. Two giant hydraulic arms lift the school bus into the air like a toy. Minutes later, it is crushed into a pile of twisted scrap metal, a brutal ending for a machine that once carried countless journeys. A heavy-duty hauler pulls a massive transformer on a multi-axle trailer with surgical precision. Every meter demands full control, a stunning showcase of extreme heavy transport. The Cenobogan machine moves with robotic precision, loading massive logs onto the train car with speed and accuracy. Thousands of logs are processed in no time. This is peak performance in timber logistics. This monstrous heavy-haul convoy dominates narrow city streets, inches from walls and windows. Then, in pouring rain, it powers up twisting mountain roads before storming the highway with flawless precision. This isn't just transport, it's a moving spectacle. A jaw-dropping mega-transport mission by Felbermayr. This massive industrial column, stretching like a steel dragon across the countryside, moves inch by inch through bridges, highways, and tight city corners. Precision, raw power, and flawless teamwork at its finest. Watch this colossal bridge girder machine in action as it carefully places massive beams to build a 300 km high-speed railway. Every move demands precision and nerves of steel. Welcome to the ultimate showdown of giants on wheels. The Special Transport Truck Show 2023 in the Netherlands brings together the most powerful, custom-built haulers and extreme heavy-duty trucks from across Europe. From jaw-dropping paint jobs to massive low-loaders, this is where engineering muscle meets pure style.